Hi friends, welcome to session 7 on solution of initial value problem. In this session we are going to study Euler's method. So consider dy by dx equals to f of xy with the initial condition y at x naught is equals to y naught, and take this one as f of xy as first equation and y at x naught as second equation. Let h be the interval of differencing. By the mean value theorem, we have y at x plus h is equals to y at x plus h into y dash of x. So, and that is here, this is nothing but here, Taylor series on ignoring the terms which containing degree greater than or equals to 2. So, that is here, it implies here, this implies y at x plus h is equals to y at x plus h into y dash of x is nothing but f of xy. So it is equals to here. Now you have to substitute x equals to x naught in this. It becomes y at x naught plus h is equals to y at x naught plus h into f of x naught and y at x naught. Y at x naught is nothing but y naught. And we know x naught plus h is x1. So y at x1 is equals to y naught plus h into f of x naught y naught, where x1 is equals to x naught plus h, we know this. Now denoting this y1 as y, this is y at x1 as y1 also we can denote. So this implies y1 is equals to this y1 is equals to this y1 is equals to y naught plus h into f of x naught y naught. Now for next iteration, next value, so y at x2 is nothing but y at x1 plus h is y2, this one, y2 is equals to y1 plus h into f of x1 y1. Just replace here x0 by x1 and y0 by y1. So you will get like this. So similarly, we can have y at x3 is equals to y at x2 plus h. It is nothing but, so that is y3 is equals to y2 plus h into f of x2 y2. Dash dash dash. In general we have y at xn is equals to y at xn minus 1 plus h. So that is nothing but y at n is equals to yn minus 1 plus h into f of xn comma xn minus 1 comma yn minus. This is the general formula for finding the value of y at nth place it is, or it is nth interval. So this is about the Euler's method. Using this method we can solve the examples with the initial conditions. Take one example. Use Euler's method to approximate value of y when x is equals to 0.1. Given that dy by dx is equals to y minus x divided by y plus x with y is equals to 1 for x is equals to 0. Here f of xy is y minus x divided by y plus x. Take this one as equation number 1. And here this one is, this is given, no, x naught is 0 and y naught is 1. Now to find y at x equals to 0.1 here. So we have to choose h is equals to 0.02. Here this is the optional. We have to choose h value ourselves. So that if the interval is short, then we can get a more accurate value. So that is here, if you choose h is equals to 0.02 for so we want to find value of x, value of y at x equals to 0.1, no? So you have to go for 5 values, then we can get it 0.1. So isn't it? So now this implies x1 is equals to x0 plus h, that is 0 plus 0.02, it is equal to 0.02. So now y at 0.02 is nothing but y at x1 is equals to y1 is equals to, this is equals to, you have to use the formula y0 plus h into f of x0 y0. So it is 1 plus y0, h is 0.02, f of x0 y0. Here definition is given, f of xy is y minus x divided by y plus x. So it is y0 minus x0 divided by y0 plus x0. It is equals to 1 plus 0.02 into y0 is 1 minus 0 divided by 1 plus 0. So it is equals to 1.02. Next is x2 is equals to x1 plus h. It is equal to 0.02 plus 0.02 and it is equal to 0.04. This implies y at 0.04 is equals to y at x2, and it is nothing but y2, and we know y2 is equals to y1 plus h into f of x1 y1. Substitute the value of y1 is 1.02 plus h is 0.02. Now f of x y1, no, it is So it is nothing but from the definition it is y1 minus x1 divided by y1 plus x1 it is also. It is not x2, it is x1. So now substitute all the values. 1.02 plus 0.02 into y1 value to substitute from previous value, that is 1.02, and x1 is 0.02 and divided by 1.02 plus 0.02. After simplification you will get this one as here 1.0392. And x3 is equal to x2 plus h, it is equal to 0.02 plus 0.04, it is equal to 0.06. Now y at 0.06 is nothing but y at x3, it is denoted by y3, and we know by Euler's method y3 is equal to y2 plus h into f of x2 y2. Substitute the values. Here y2 is just now you have done 1.0392 plus h is 0.02 into f of x2 y2. F of x2 y2 is x2, that is y2 minus x2 divided by y2 plus x2 it is. This we know. Because here we know f of xy is equals to y minus x divided by y plus x. No? Substitute the values here. So you will get this one. And after simplification you will get this value as 1.0577. Next you have to go for x4 because here we want to reach up to 0.1. So x4 is x3 plus h, it is equal to 0.06 plus 0.02, it is equal to 0.08. So this implies y at 0.08 is equals to y at x4, it is nothing but y4, and we know y4 is equals to by Euler's method, it is y3 plus h into f of x3 y3. So substitute all the values here. After simplification here is y3 is previous value just now done 1.0577 and x3 is 0.06, and simplify all this you will get 1.0756. Now x5 is x4 plus h, it is equal to 0.08 plus 0.02. So this implies sum of these two is 0.1. So this implies y at 0.1 is equals to y at x5 is equals to y5, and we know y5 is equals to y4 plus h into f of x4 y4. Here we know value of y4 1.0756 and x4 is 0.08. Substitute all the values. Again here you have to apply definition. It is y4 minus x4 divided by y4 plus x4. And you simplify this, you will get 1.0928. So hence we have here y is equals to 1.0928 at x equals to 0.1 and is the required value of y for the given initial condition for the given differential equation. dy by dx is equals to y minus x divided by y plus x. So here you remember this point, that is if h is not given, we have to choose h such that if it is a small value then it is possible to get a more accurate value of for the y. So therefore we have to choose here, you have to choose the value of h yourself so that we can get for a few iterations, for few values, that is you get the value of required variable. So this is all about this today's session. Thank you very much for watching this video. In the next videos we will see some more examples on the Euler's method. Thank you.